Hello everyone. Today we will discuss how we will test our Spring Boot CLI. One of my previous video, I just installed my Spring Boot CLI in Mac environment. So I am going with that one, and I will do something based on that. So here, if I type Spring version, I can see my version here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to one of my folder here, workspace, and I have some projects here: Angular, Java, JavaScript, Node.js, PHP. So probably I will select the Java one and okay, yeah, I am inside Java, and here if I am testing, I have Gradle, Maven. Yeah, so many projects are there. So I am going with the Groovy, creating a directory called Groovy. So because Spring CLI is ultimately based on Groovy, so we need a Groovy folder here. Okay, I'm inside my Groovy folder. Here I'm creating another folder, test, and I'm going inside my test. Then here I'm going to create a file, touch, or sudo nano, whatever we need, app.groovy, app.groovy. Yeah. Okay, so it's asked for my password, and I am giving my password right now, and there is a feed here. Inside that, I can type my program here. So I need to type something like a trust controller. Then next line, it should be a class. New runner or something, whatever name we need. And we have one. We need to add some method here. There should be a method, and I have some request mapping also. Request mapping, anything I need to go here. So I'm just typing that. And next line, what I'm going to do is string home. And there will be a and just type hello world here. I need to complete that statement. There is nothing like that. So right now I am exiting from this one, saving that one, and spring run app.groovy. Okay, there is an illegal reflective access operation has occurred. So there is something at request mapping. So at request mapping, I miss one P. Okay, so I'm going to add that P here, and again I'm going to save this one, and I am providing yes to the changes. Okay, so right now our application started. Port 8080 was already in use. So so if our port is port is available, it will start on that port. But right now my 8080 is not available right now. So probably I need to change that. So that's all about Spring Run with the different port. So I can specify the port here. So server port or something. Chart T server port or server port. One of them will work. So let's see whether it's work with this one. Server port is not recognized as an option. Okay, so there is something that's Spring Run. Command line. I'm searching for the solution here. Spring Run with okay, I'm not getting enough. Okay, probably Spring Run help. Spring help. Okay, there are so many things run options. Okay. Spring Run options. So if we are searching that, probably we'll find something. CLI, Spring Run options. There are some options. Cloud path, auto configure, no cache dependencies. There is nothing related to the there is something related to the server port, but it's not working. I don't know what is the reason exactly. So I will try once again whether it's going to work or not. So I am pasting that. Okay, right now it's working. So okay, so which port we use? Let me try again. Here we use 9000. So if I am taking one. Okay, localhost 1000. Hello world. I can see the hello world. So it's very simple for that program. So starting a Spring Boot application from command line. It's very easy. We don't need to do anything. We just saving a .groovy file, and if we need some controller or something that we can mention. So it's very easy with the Groovy. So thank you for watching. Have a nice